Today we're doing a mukbang.
Yeah.
What do we have here, Des?
We have a double burger. Late at night.
It's late night.
Late at night in the morning. Night.
Okay.
Make you come over and over.
We're transitioning to what?
I'm gonna reveal it in April.
I can't do a mukbang with him.
So I also
At the food, at the clown. Chase.
you don't need a milkshake. I'm getting ripped tonight. R.I.P. that. Oh, I like how you said that. Guys, thanks for watching that last video. If you like what you saw, please comment below, down here, and go to our Instagram page right there, our Facebook page right there. Thank you so much, you guys, for the love and support that you constantly show us. Remember to watch What's Tea with D&E Emergency Tea Series every Monday and Friday.